an end-to-end business automation using Pabbly Chatflow, by using which your customers can interact with your business. And here you can see that my customer is providing all their details, and here my customer has entered a random question for which they are getting the response by my AI assistant. And here the data is getting saved over the Google Sheet, and my team is getting a notification regarding the newly received WhatsApp lead. And here you can see that we are receiving all the details of the user, which is just filled over my WhatsApp. You can see over here. So you can see this all in one WhatsApp chatbot, which is creating an end-to-end business automation, from capturing the lead data to notifying your team and even answering the queries of your customer. So yes, you can do it all by just creating one automation using Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect both. So now let me show you how this chatbot is working. So for that, I'm going to clear my previous chat, and now I'm going to enter this message, that is hello. And this message will initiate the WhatsApp chatbot which I have built in. So as I have entered this message, I'm getting this welcome message with this button, that is explore services, which I have selected. And right here I'm getting the list of the services. So here I will be selecting this first service, that is social media marketing. And as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as test user. And as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my business name. So here I'm going to enter my business name as PabMart. And as I have provided my business name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my email address. So here I'm going to enter my email address as test@pabblytudes.com. So here I'm going to enter it, and as I have provided my email address, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my monthly marketing budget, which I'm going to enter it as 2 lakh. And as I have provided my monthly marketing budget, I'm getting this message which says you're all set, thanks for sharing your details. And right here this message also says, have a question in the meantime, just type it here on WhatsApp. So now let's enter a random question and see whether we get the answer of that question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, do you create content and add creatives? And as I have provided this message, let's wait for the response. And here we are going to get the response of whatever question we are going to ask, because I have assigned AI assistant to this chatbot. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer of the question according to my business, which is for the digital marketing agency. And now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving this data over my Google Sheet or not. So right here you can see that I'm on my Google Sheet where I'm successfully receiving this data, having the same service name which I have just selected, the same full name of the user, the business name, email, and the marketing budget. And now let's move on towards my Slack to check whether we are receiving a notification regarding this lead or not. And here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message which says new WhatsApp lead received. And here we are getting the same name, the same business name, email, and the service in which my user is interested, and the marketing budget too. So you can see this end-to-end business automation by using which we are performing multiple tasks, whether it's answering the customer queries, collecting the data, saving the data, or notifying our team regarding this particular lead so that they can contact them as soon as possible. So now you can also create this end-to-end business automation by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly. So here we are going to use two applications provided by Pabbly, that is Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards the Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which you can get by typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And right here we are on the home page, where if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to click over this sign up free. And if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and accessing Pabbly Chatflow, as Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering you a free trial. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. That is the discount coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you the huge discount compared to other coupon codes. and this is valid for yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it. And right here on my Pabbly chat flow, don't forget to add your WhatsApp number. And here I have created this flow by using which I'm receiving the data of my leads and I'm sending all these messages. So here you can see that we are getting this option for trigger where I have selected my trigger event as keyword or the regex match. So by using this trigger event, we are going to initiate our WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see that I have entered this keyword, and as you can see in my WhatsApp chatbot is initiated as soon as my user has typed this message. So here I have entered this keyword, which are the words which can initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. And by using these messages and action blocks, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So as my user will enter the message, I'm going to send them a welcome message by using this text button node given over the message block. And right after, I have created this button by simply selecting this add button. And the next, I have created the list of the services. So you can see this list node over this message block where I have added 3 items, that is social media marketing, Google Ads and SEO. And the next, I have provided contact custom field to all these list nodes by using this set custom field node. So by using the contact custom field, we will be getting the response of our customer. So here I have selected this contact custom field service type, by using which we will get to know which service type my user has selected from these list items. And here I have provided the value for each list item and created these contact custom field. And if you want to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you will be landed to this page where you can create your own contact custom field. And next, I have used this ask question node, by using which I have entered some questions asking for the full name, business name, email and the rest of the details of my user. And here you can see in this message node, I have entered this variable, that is $full name. So this signifies the contact custom field which we have just selected in this first question. So by using the $sign before the contact custom fields, you can send personalized message by using the user's response. And here you can see in my WhatsApp, I have got this message, that is nice to meet you test user, means the same name which I have just entered. So by using this chatbot, you can even send personalized messages too. And the next, I have used this API request node given over this action block, by using which I have integrated this flow with the Pabbly Connect. So right here on my all Pabbly apps page, you can see this is the Pabbly Connect app, by using which we can integrate varieties of application. So as you will access it, you will be landed to the dashboard page where we have to create this workflow. So right here I have created this workflow by integrating Pabbly Chatflow, Google Sheet and Slack. So here you can see I have selected my trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow, by using which I am receiving the message. And here you can see in my Pabbly Chatflow, I have entered this webhook URL which I have received from the Pabbly Connect. So I have added this webhook URL in this API request node, by using which I am connecting my Pabbly Connect with this flow. And here I have entered some parameters, and according to these parameters, I have selected the contact custom field so that I can get my user's response. And I'm going to save the data by using these parameters. So I have sent this test data to the Pabbly Connect, which you can see here. And the next, I have mapped all these data in the Google Sheet named as digital dynamics data, where I have mapped all these fields. And now here I have used my another action application, that is Slack, where I have sent this message consisting all the details of my user. So this is the way you can also create an end-to-end business automation chatbot. And afterwards, I have entered this question. And this question consists of the confirmation message, with this message asking for the user's query. And if my user will provide me the query, I have assigned the AI assistant which I have created. So for assigning the AI assistant, you have to use this assign AI assistant node. And here I have selected the AI assistant which I have created. So for creating the AI assistant, you have to select this AI assistant given over the sidebar. And here I want my AI assistant to start with the client message, means the query of the customer which my user will enter over here. and my AI assistant is responding to me according to the knowledge base which I have provided to it, which is basically the document containing the details of my business. So this is going to act as the brain for the AI assistant. So this was the process for creating an end-to-end business automation by using which you can save the data over the Google Sheet, can interact with your customers, can resolve their queries, and you can even notify your team regarding the newly received WhatsApp lead. So now you can also create this automation by just using Pabbly, and you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. You can create it within few minutes without requiring any coding skills. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.